Hello everyone, I'm CheCo and today I got an unboxing and first impressions on the Airpulse A80. Let's do it. So everything comes in this brown box over here. So if we get it all out, got manual over here, quick documentation, remote, everything. I'm gonna put that to one side. Got a remote, very teeny tiny remote over here, and in the remote you got the power button and then the selection for all the different inputs. So you got auxiliary, PC, USB, optical and Bluetooth, and then down below you got the volume control, minus and plus, and the mute button over here. So put that on one side. Before I take the main speakers out, we got some accessories. So accessories. So over here, we do have a USB. Yep, USB cable. Is USB Type B, I believe. A USB Type A on that side. Fairly long. Put that on one side. 3-pin UK power adapter over here, followed by RCA to headphone jack over here. Very nice. We do have as well a extension for RCA over here. We've got an optical cable as well. Got loads of connectivities over here. This I believe is to connect the speakers. I'm not too sure if this is a XLR cable. You can see it up there on the second camera. And this is to connect one speaker to the other speaker. What else we got in the box? We got some buttons or some, not too sure what that is. I need to check that. We got some cable ties as well, and that's it. So put that in the floor for a minute. Now the speakers itself. As I said, this is the Airpulse A80, and the color that I have chosen are, of course, blue. So if I get out of the way, and we can get the box out of the way as well. Do have some desktop stamps as well, and there are just some foam wedges over here to position the speakers more down or more up over here. You can see some wedges there. I'm gonna put them over there for now. And now the main speakers. This look like it's the master speaker. Oh, yeah. This looks really, really nice, this type of speakers. Whew. Feel cold to the touch. It's like some beautiful materials over here. Oh. Quite heavy as well. But over here, you can see all the different inputs and outputs. So we got a left speaker out, and that's that chunky cable over there. We got a sub out, optical cable, USB. Then you got some XLR for PC, so RCA for PC and auxiliary as well over here. Power on and off, the power input, and over here you got some controls for the volume input itself, and then the bass and the treble over here. Look really, really nice, not gonna lie. You can see over there. Beautiful blue actually. I like this blue, quite nice. But if we put that one on that side, and we can get the left speaker. And the left speaker only got one port, and it's that port to connect that very long cable over there, and that's for the left speaker. And that, if we look, something like this, and you set up. If you want to put the little foam wedges to prevent any vibrations whatsoever, you can have it like that, a little bit in an angle, and that one as well. And they look something like that. So this, well, the Airpulse A80 looked like a 600-pound speakers, or in this case they are more like audio monitors. This is what we got over here. Gonna give it another glance to the top camera. Something like that. And that's the back. I mean, they look insane. I really like the color. They are quite weighty as well. Even the left one as well is quite weighty. As I mentioned, 600 pounds for this incredible high-res audio monitors. That they got RCA connections, RCA to jack for your phone. They got USB connection as well, and they also got Bluetooth. So I'm gonna try that out, and I will let you know, maybe on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me over there at Instagram. Follow me everywhere. All my social medias are down below. I will leave a link of these speakers as well down below if you want to purchase it. But this is an unboxing, what's in the box, and my first impressions on the Airpulse A80. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm CheCo. See you in the next one. Adios.